Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. A segment tree is a versatile data structure that is primarily used for range query and update operations on an array or list. It allows efficient querying and updating of elements in a specified range, making it particularly useful for problems involving range-based operations. The basic idea behind a segment tree is to divide the array into smaller segments and store information about each segment in a tree structure. This allows for quick query and update operations without having to process the entire array. A segment tree is represented as a binary tree, where each node corresponds to a segment of the array. The leaves of the tree represent individual elements of the array, and each internal node stores information about its child nodes. Typically, the root of the tree represents the entire array. To build a segment tree, we recursively divide the array into halves until each segment contains only one element. The values at the leaves of the tree are the elements of the array, and the values at internal nodes are derived from the values of their children. To perform a range query on the array, we traverse the segment tree and gather information from the relevant segments. This is done by comparing the query range with the segments stored in the tree. We can efficiently skip irrelevant segments by utilizing the tree structure. To update an element in the array, we traverse the segment tree to find the corresponding leaf node and then update the necessary nodes along the path to the root. Let's implement a simple segment tree in Python with support for range sum queries and point updates. In this example, the segment tree class has methods for building the tree, updating elements, and querying for range sums. The example demonstrates a simple use case with an array of integers, but segment trees can be adapted for various applications, such as finding minimum or maximum values in a range, counting elements in a range, and more. ChatGPT